So now we'll discuss about the parabola by focus and directrix method. So this will be the problem. A focus of a parabola is 50 mm from the fixed straight line. Draw a parabola by focus and directrix method. Here the eccentricity is not given because we know that by default the eccentricity for the parabola is 1, right? So the ratio of that Vf upon Vc, that is called as eccentricity, is equal to 1. That is, in this case, the distance of vertex from the focus and the distance of vertex from the directrix will be remain same. That is, we can directly locate that vertex exactly at the mid of CF segment. Okay, so let's start with the drawing of this parabola with the focus and directrix method. So first you need to draw the vertical line or fixed straight line, that is called as a directrix, and denote it by a letter DD. After that, take any one point C over this vertical line and draw one horizontal line perpendicular to the directrix. Now take a distance equal to 50 mm from this C point and locate the position of focus here. So as the eccentricity is 1 for the parabola, we can locate the vertex exactly at the mid of this CF line. Okay, because we know that the eccentricity is the distance of vertex from the focus to the distance of vertex from the directrix. That is Vf upon Vc is equal to 1, right? So as this ratio is 1, that means the value of Vf and Vc are same. So Vf is equal to Vc. So we can locate this vertex exactly at the mid of this CF segment. Okay. Now draw a vertical line passing through this vertex. Take a distance equal to Vf in compass. Now put one leg of your compass over this V and draw an arc over this vertical line passing through the vertex. The point of intersection is E. Now join this C with E with one line and extend that line further. Now to draw a parabola, you can take any number of points after this vertex over this CF line. Okay, so here I am taking 8 number of points at a 6 mm distance each. You can take that 8 number of points at equidistance, or you can mark it randomly over this line after the vertex only. So next thing, draw vertical line passing through all these points which are located over this horizontal line till it intersect this line CE. So line from the 1, it will intersect CE at 1 dash. Similarly from 2, it will intersect 2 dash, and draw the vertical line passing through all the points till it intersect this line CE and mark corresponding points with a dash. Now next, take vertical distance 1 dash in a compass and take a focus as a center and draw an arcs over the same line, that is 1 dash, from the both sides. That will be your first point over a parabola. Now for locating second point, take this vertical distance 2 dash in compass. Again take focus as a center and draw an arcs over the same line, that is 2 dash, from the both sides. That will be your second point. Now for locating third point, take this vertical distance 3 dash. Again take a focus as a center. You need to take this focus as a center for locating all points. Okay, so by taking this focus as a center, draw an arcs over the same line, that is 3 dash, to locate third point of parabola. Now next, to locate the fourth point, take vertical distance 4 dash, taking F as a center, mark arcs over the same line 4 dash from the both side. Now for fifth point, take this vertical distance 5 dash. By taking focus as a center, draw an arcs over the same line, that is 5 dash, from the both side. So in this way, you can use the vertical distances and you can locate the remaining points with the center F. Okay, now we have located all the points of a parabola. Now what we need to do, we need to draw a smooth curve passing through all these points like this. and that is nothing but a parabola.